Hi, this is Nydia. Oh my gosh. Well, today was quite an adventure. For those of you who know, ooh, that was a burp. Pardon me, but when you're doing what I'm doing, burping and having bodily gases move is a really good thing. Sorry, too much information. Um, my grand adventure, for those of you who were wondering, was that I got a left total hip replacement this morning. Um, and it was way, well over time. Oh, there's a hospital. Yes, I'm in hospital right now, and I'm having, relatively a really good time. Physical therapy came in early, and I got to go for a walk, and I have been in the best of care. So those of you who are so inclined, put in a prayer of gratitude to the team, the surgical team, and all the nurses and all the people who are here. They're just so great, having a good time. So, relative. Now, I am under the influence of some pretty serious medication right now, so I'm smiling. Tomorrow I'm going to be pretty sore. Gradually, all of that changes. But for now, I'm grateful. And I've heard from a lot of friends and family, and I'm just mm, happy. So, on to the next adventure. Yeah, I've been training for this particular surgery, um, since the 80s when I injured my left hip twice, actually more than twice. I was in dance team, doing, what do we call those things? High kicks with a jump kick. When you're in your teens, that kind of works. And yeah, I injured it once then. And then I was rollerblading in the 90s. It was so much fun, late 80s and early 90s, and made two really intense impact falls. I was lucky I didn't harm myself further, but, well, things start somehow, and I have been very fortunate over the decades that I've been able to keep it somewhat balanced and strong and mobile. There's a reason that I do what I do. I have a personal experience with some orthopedic spine challenges, and so I developed the practices in order to keep those in check. I developed it just for me, really, and eventually I started sharing it with persons, and anyway, so you probably don't want to know about that, but I said it anyway. Yeah, I'm having fun. Just really grateful. I'm grateful to my friends, to my family, to students, people who have been reaching out, and yeah, I'm looking forward to returning to my favorite activities, my issues, my quality of life issues, the things that I want to do. At this point, over the last 18 months, I couldn't walk for exercise, and I couldn't hike. And traveling, my husband and I, David, we're walking travelers. We love to walk cities and hike and do stuff, and I really couldn't do that anymore. And so dancing, oh, I love to dance, and I really couldn't do that. I was in pain, and I don't really take a lot of pain meds, so I was just kind of figuring out how to help myself, and I went ahead and gave myself my own advice, practice what you preach. And I asked myself the question, when the quality of your life is impacted in a negative way by an injury or a problem, a challenge, then it's time. You have exhausted all conservative options, and I exhausted them. I got as strong as I could, and a little complication with my medical situation kind of opened up this opportunity for my left hip to destabilize. And when it did that, it started to hurt. And well, over the course of 18 months, training, shifting and doing things that were intended to help me move through now this new part of my life. I'm bionic. It's pretty cool. I'll be fun at the airport. Anyway, thank you for, I guess, listening and not scrolling by. Who knows? Have a great day, and you'll be hearing from me. Yeah, it's my turn now. Peace.